How to fix PlayStation subscription not active. To fix this issue, if you are on PS5, you simply have to go to Settings and head to the User and Account option, then head to Others. From there, you will find Restore Licenses option, proceed to restore it. Or if you are on PS4, go to Settings and once again head to Account Management and proceed to restore the license. And you also have to verify the payment and auto-renew the status. So go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice, then head to the PlayStation Account Manager. Once you are here within the Account Manager, all you have to do is go ahead and select the Payment Management to ensure your credit card or PayPal info is current and hasn't expired. Simply check the Subscription Management to verify if your PlayStation Plus tier has active time remaining. And what you can also do is simply log out and restart your device. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.